Greetings and good day to dear judges. My name is Shirley Evelynna and I'm a senior lecturer with a foundation in science program under pre-university studies in IMU. In collaboration with Dr. James, I would like to present this title on usage of 360-degree camera in foundation in science biology, online practical sessions for an immersive experience. One of the biggest challenge we faced during COVID-19 pandemic is definitely online teaching. Although we were able to conduct multiple practical sessions in online, there is something that students were lacking is that their experience of performing these experiments in the laboratory. Soon after the campus was opened, even a large number of group of students were unable to participate and come to campus to take part in the experiments that we conducted in the lab. In order to give them an inclusivity and an immersive experience, we decided to use the 360-degree camera to give them a better experience. As such, the objective of this innovation is first of all to give students a feel of inclusivity during the lab experiments, to allow students to watch their friends performing the experiments live, and finally to ensure that students learn the practical skills despite unable to get a hands-on experience. Before the introduction of this 360-degree camera, online students were only able to see the session as shown in view A. By viewing this, they didn't really have an idea of what was taking place in the laboratory despite the lecturer showing them the procedure. By introducing the usage of 360 camera, we introduced the presentation of this camera through another presenter, and we advised the students to pin both the presenters so that they will be able to view both the presenter and also their friends performing the experiment during the session. There is no cost available in this innovation as we have been making use of the facilities that is already available in our IT facilities. To see how this camera has provided the students with an immersive learning experience, we have given a streams link in the e-poster that will bring you to this recording, whereby from minute 14 onwards, you will be able to see the two pinned views from the presenter. And this is the view that will indicate what is shown from the 360-degree camera. From a survey we conducted, although we found that students enjoyed the usage of this camera, there were also certain challenges that were faced. First of all, the bandwidth resolution in Teams made it a little bit difficult for the direct teaching to online students. The resolution that was shown from the camera wasn't really great. So that is one of the challenges. And another thing we learned along the way is the height and the positioning of the camera. So we have improvised in this in the multiple practical sessions that we conducted. And furthermore, from the feedback, we also found that students actually prefer to view experiments involving actual skills, where there is involved of reagents and apparatus, where there is observation of changes in the color, reactions, and so on, rather than just microscopy sections. So we will be definitely taking this into consideration in the next sessions. Here are the other findings of the survey that we conducted. By showing the two different views here, we found that students preferred view B, whereby we have the usage of the 360 camera. Apart from that, we also found that they actually liked watching their friends performing the experiments. And we also found that in the coming semester, they would prefer to watch more of view B, which comes with the 360 camera. Apart from the response, we also received these particular comments, which we find it very helpful for us to make improvements that we can make for the upcoming cohorts, and we can also apply these for the other modules involving laboratory procedures in foundation in science. Thank you for this opportunity.